Hello guys, how are you? I hope people are great today. So after a long time, I got the opportunity to come to the make video today. So because I was very sick and so many days and continue battling to the typhoid friends. So because actually I did not make the any videos after 15 days uh, 15 days, but actually I was very sad. So my guys, my learners, my subscriber, please most welcome in this channel. And this channel's the first created for the learn English and English blogs, so everything whatever I have experienced, I am sharing every day the which is good for you and you want to learn English. So thank you. Without any further ado, let's get started on this video. This is actually today, guys. I'm so glad happy today because actually I got opportunity the make video the once again I just started for learning and my English blog. Today guys, first of all, very good evening in this channel and most welcome this channel. So guys, I was very sick because actually I had a typhoid a long time and infection, my throat infection, so everything. So doctors told me, so please take the rate the more times because actually my all his body the all have the brokens. Actually I am not full confident and not full energetic because actually I am not able to perfect for the speak. And today actually I am sharing in this video. So because actually in my life in very sad in my life because so now I want to start English and who people want to learn English and please join this channel. Hey guys, so because I went for the duty today, I just came right now at home. So because I'm sleep very tired and my breathing is overall actually I am not able to speak very well today. Actually I'm feeling very tired today. So already doctors have taken medicines for the 1 week and they continue and every day the dose and the 2 times and 3 times. It's all medicines is very heavy for my health. And actually so because actually I have the already left the all spices and junk food avoid. Actually I can't eat anything street food and because it's very harmful for health. Please guys, please avoid your future, your life. This is actually we should not the junk food eat and every day because actually very harmful and damages the all bodies. Is actually I was battling the 1 month the continue whenever I feel fever. So I went for the take the medicines from the medicals. Actually I did not the checkup to doctor the because increased my fever suddenly. It has the started my leg is very not working and properly. So then I go for the checkup. I went for the checkup for the blood test, and then the doctor is checkup already the infection already, and as well typhoid is it's a long time. My typhoid is very increased around 160 plus, and so it was a very sad in my life, guys. Don't worry, but actually I'm very comfortable and this time so very happy right now. So because actually I feel I can speak English and I am teaching to all my friends. And please guys, extremely sorry and very sorry because actually I did not make any videos for and this channel. So thank you. I'm very sorry, extremely sorry. So I hope that is feeling so this time is very well right now. So I will make video every day. So guys, this is my little bit, this very small is this video. Please, I will try the long video and learn English. So thank you for the watching and please support me guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye guys. Thank you.